The Amazon rainforest, a place of mystery, wonders and mind-blowing secrets. Spanning over 5.5 million kilometers, it's home to millions of species and many of them are still undiscovered. But did you know these lungs of the earth creates its own rains? Or that an uncontracted tribe still lives here? Get ready, cause today we're counting down the top 10 most fascinating facts about Amazon rainforest. Let's get right into it. Number 10. It produces 20% of the world's oxygen. The Amazon is called lungs of the earth for a reason. It pumps out 20% of the world's oxygen through its dense vegetation. But here's the catch. Most of this oxygen is used by the rainforest itself. Still, its role in maintaining global climate balance is undeniable. Number 9. The Amazon has its own flying river. Imagine a massive invisible river flowing above the Amazon. That is real. Millions of trees release water vapor into the air, which creates a flying water river. Number 8 is home to 10% of all known species. The Amazon is the most biodiverse place on Earth. It hosts 10% of all known species, and scientists say millions more are still undiscovered. What secrets are still holding in its depth? Number 7. The Amazon has a river that boils. Deep in Amazon, there's a river so hot it boils animals alive. It reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. Scientists shocked it shouldn't exist without a volcano nearby. But the indigenous people knew it for centuries. Number 6. A lost civilization existed here. For centuries, people thought Amazon was completely untouched, but satellite scan revealed massive ancient cities hidden beneath the trees. Alright friends, how was the video so far? If you liked it, show it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in mind-blowing facts, top 10 videos, make sure to subscribe my channel. Let's go for number 5. Number 5. Pink river dolphins exist. Yes, you heard it right, pink dolphins. The Amazon River is the home to the boto, a species of freshwater dolphins that burn gray but turns pink with age. Legends say they can even shapeshift into humans. Who knows? Number 4. The Amazon is disappearing fast. Sadly, the Amazon is vanishing at an alarming rate. We lose football field of trees every minute. Deforestation and climate change threaten Amazon. And finally, here are top 3. Number 3. It's so big it has countries inside. Think Amazon is just inside the Brazil? No. It stretches across 9 countries, including Peru, Colombia and Venezuela. It's so big it can feed the entire UK 17 times. Number 2. The uncontracted tribe still lives there. depth of rainforest, there are tribes who have never contact with the world outside. Brazil alone has over 100 uncontracted tribes. And finally, number 1, the Amazon once flowed backwards. Here's the craziest fact. The Amazon River used to flow in the opposite direction. Millions of years ago, it ran from east to west until the rise of Andes Mountains flipped the flow, shaping the Amazon as we know it today. The Amazon is full of mysteries and we've only scratched the surface. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, show it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in mind-blowing facts, top 10 videos, make sure to subscribe my channel. I hope to see you guys on next video. Goodbye for now and peace out.